You have a situation where your Apple TV is blinking orange. This is often done, or this is often recreated when we hold down our home button for some seconds. It will generally start to blink orange in no time. But if for some reason your Fire TV is blinking orange for absolutely no reason, it is because your Amazon Fire Stick has been unpaired from your TV. So it is blinking orange because it needs to repair to your TV. So all you need to do is to press down or hold down your home button once more, and it will generally stop blinking. So you see that, and then it probably starts working. So the only reason it is blinking is maybe somebody mistakenly held down the home button for some time and then it starts blinking, or it has somehow unpaired from your TV. Say you removed the batteries in your remote for some time, the TV comes on, it can't find the remote, and then it gets unpaired. That is when it will generally bring the yellow light. So all you need to do is to press the home button and you should be good. Thank you. If you found value in this video, please do like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.